Welcome back to the continuations of our statistics. So today we're having histogram, as I explained about one of the methods on statistics. So look at the board and don't forget to like our video, share, comment. So look at the board here. Now draw these questions here. We have to draw the histogram for these particular questions here. So solution to that. So we have something this way. We have something this way. So the first one, the mark, which is the class interval. Then the next one is number of students. The number of students is your frequency. When I'm paying the frequency, so we have 1 to 5, 2, 6 to 10. You write them vertical like that, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. The way is on the board. As you can see now, 21 to 30, 31 to 35. So 35, as you can see, that 36 to 40. Here is 2, 7, 12, 8, 5, 1. So the next, what we need to look for, we need to look for the class boundary. Very, very important on histogram, as you can see it. So class boundary. Class boundary is plus or minus 0.5. So it's always plus or minus 0.5. Remove 0.5 from here, add it here. 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. 0.5 plus 5, 5.5. You'll be removing, adding like that. 5.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 20.5. You can use your calculator, but the difference should not pass 0.5. So 21.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 35.5, 35.5 to 40.5. You are done. The next, let's get the class width, which is our C. So how can you get that? You just tell us this, the difference between them. 5.1 minus 0.5, that is 5. 10.1 minus 5.5, 5. 20. This one is 10. This Lewis is 10. So therefore, this one is 20.5 is 10. This minus this is 5. This is 5. Are you getting this now? So let's get the frequency density now. Frequency density. What is frequency density? The formula is F over C. So if you are asked to prepare that, you can do that. So what is the F? 2 divided by 5, 0.4. 7 divided by 5, 1.4. This divided by this, 1.2. 8 divided by 10 is 0.8. 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. So these are the diagrams that we have here on how to prepare histogram. So if you have any questions, just drop it on the comment sections. On our next video, we'll be explaining about the graph on histogram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to our YouTube channel. Thanks.